When a patient goes to a physician, they go in with the expectation that their condition is going to be fairly treated. And they go in with the hope that they'll receive a cure, whether it's for a condition that at the time seems to them not very serious or not. We all want to come out, we all want to get better. What should not happen, however, and what isn't excusable, is that a patient comes away from the medical care, or more appropriately, the family comes away from the medical care, having realized their worst fear, and that is that somebody will pass away because a condition wasn't appropriately diagnosed and wasn't appropriately treated, or because of some huge blunder in a procedure that was performed that causes somebody to die. When that happens, it is sometimes called a wrongful death claim. Really, that's just another subset of medical malpractice claims. But it raises issues in terms of damages and some medical issues sometimes that can be unique and a little bit different from other medical malpractice cases. Obviously, who we're representing is the family, the surviving family of the person, parents, spouse, children. We're also representing the estate because it's important that whatever was experienced by that individual before they passed away, obviously the fear of leaving their family alone and without them, that those kinds of things be taken into consideration and compensated as well. In our justice system, it really isn't equitable and it really isn't fair for somebody, if they have been negligent, to produce those kinds of injuries and that kind of emotional trauma and economic trauma in the lives of individuals without then being accountable for it.